So again, as the most common resolution for a new year or for a new spring cleanup is, hey, I want to paint my bathroom, right? So that's a quick, it doesn't cost that much. I can do it myself. I hear this all the time. And it is true to some degree. Painting could be relaxating and takes the mind into a different state. So I can see that. If you think you're a good painter and you have the patience for it, tackle it. Well, of course, that brings of what's the color. Again, no straightforward answer. So you can stay safe and play with the greige and the grays and the accessible beige, right? That has been used over and over and over. Nothing wrong with them, but you're not gonna get that effect of, oh wow, I painted and this room looks totally different. To obtain the totally different aspect, you need to think, what will be the color that will push me out of my comfort zone? You don't have to go dark, you can go very light. But what is it? It seems that lately we are into the greens. People love greens. Maybe it's the nostalgia of, hey, the trees outside are very naked, I need some greens, maybe. But ultimately, we are going back after the whole nature feel in a bathroom and in a home. So if that is it, start with a very, very light color. When I say light, I don't mean white that is got a little bit of green, like dirt on it. I'm talking to you about a actual green color that is toward the very light nuances. Something else that you can do. Who said that the trim in the bathroom has to be white or any off-white? How about you consider about painting your trim, the walls, and the ceiling that light green that you have always wanted? Why not? Ultimately, look, you guys, that is the cheapest way to get this bathroom feeling so much different, so much fresher, right? So much today. Then do it, especially if you're the one painting. Do it. If you questioning it, go a tone lighter. But for once, let go of this, what other things or what should I do to be safe? Just go with that.